Hello! What is a purple willy and a tearjerker salad? Eggplants and tearjerkers could be a movie, but nah, it's just onion. We call it poor man's Ikra salad. It's Russian style. You're gonna enjoy this. You can have it vegetarian style, or regular by adding mayo. Okay. The way I make it is very simple. So you get your eggplants in your hands and you put them on the stove. How many you want? Lady's choice. And you make sure it's on high and you flip it when it gets like too smoky and your smoke alarms are going on, like a boots and pants. That means you're doing a good job, because it's getting really like soft and soggy like your some of your testicles and boobs, but that's okay, life happens. So they're supposed to get really soft and mushy, and then you turn it and you turn it and you turn it. And this was at my last step, when you put them like that to get everything soft. Then you put it on it's hot and steamy. I did only 2 that day. You put them on a plate and you let it drip. Wow, where am I today? It's gonna like, you can wait until it gets cooled off, so you can like take the skin, the peel off, and then you let it on the side. See, I put there the strainer and in the sink, so all that liquid will go down in a few hours, maybe like 2 or 3. So like make it in the morning and like until noon should be ready. Once it doesn't leave too much liquid, after a while, cut those ends off, and then you either put it in a blender or you do it manually. Chop, turn around, chop. I put in the blender and I added onion. I didn't want to show you because everybody knows how to cut onion and you don't want to see me cry. And some salt to taste. And that's when you either go this way or that way with mayo. You can have vegan mayo or regular. I like to make my own. And let's see how the result was. It's green, just like that, and it's delicious. It's good to put in the fridge and then just take it out, put it on a open face sandwich, European sandwich. Don't put bread on bread again, like we don't do that. And enjoy and see what the benefits are. I'm not a doctor, remember? Yeah, purple willy tearjerker salad, or poor man's Ikra salad. Why is it called that? Because the texture of it feel, Ikra means caviar, and we eat caviar all the time on blini. Blini are those crepes, from Russian to French. You know crepes, right? Like the really thin pancakes. You put some Ikra, some caviar on it, and just eat it with a bit of vodka. It goes down good. But this one, for people that couldn't afford it a while back, they would make it like this, and it's called poor man's Ikra salad, or eggplant salad. Okay, you learned something. Okay, bye.